Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Jagdish. In this video, we will discuss about Visualforce tags. These are the category of the tags in Visualforce: input tags, output tags, select tags, form tags, page tags, action tags, and style tags. First is page tags. Page tag contain these number of the tags: apex page, apex page message, apex page block, apex page block table, apex page block buttons, and apex page block section atom. Next is apex page. Using this tag, we can create Visualforce page, and this tag use only once in a page. After that, all other tags have to be enclosed in this tag. These are the number of tags used in Visualforce. Please like video and subscribe my channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching.